Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this cliff house. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add the floors, the roof, and we added the backing for this house. We also added the curtain wall, and now we're gonna continue working on this. Let's go back to level 1 and let's add in the fixtures and also beds and those kind of stuff. So here we need to go to insert and load family and go to furniture and go to bed. We're gonna choose this and click open. Once you do, go back to architecture and then click on component, and from here we could change the size of the bed. So we're gonna choose king size for the masters. So I'm just pressing the space bar, and as you notice, something is popping up here. So every time I press anything on my keyboard, you'll be able to know what I'm pressing here. So now I'm just pressing escape, and then we could just add in more by going to component again, and let's choose queen size bed for the 2, or let's change this to, so I'll move this to queen, and the other one will be double. So it's better to just change both of them to double, and it looks better like that. After that, let's go and insert our toilets. So go to insert again, load family, and just go back, not here but here, and then go to plumbing, architectural, fixtures. We have urinals, sink, shower, and bathtubs. So let's add in some bathtub as well. So let's add this, press open, and then once you do, you just click component and it will be available for that. So here I'm just gonna add it on this spot, and also I'm gonna add it here. And go back to insert again, load family, and go back one step, and we're going to add in sink. So we're just gonna add a vanity square. So which one's better? This one is good. So press open, and then go to architecture and component, and you'll be able to add the sink like that, and then we could add it here as well. And then after that, we need the toilet. So just go back again and look for the, so it's well probably right here, commercial or domestic. We're gonna choose the domestic, and once you do again, you'll be able to see it under component. So here I'm just gonna add it here, and like so we're gonna add it here. So for this one, I want more space for the walk-in closet, so I'm just gonna move it a little bit on the side. So might as well change this to 3000. Oops. So 3000. Now I've changed it to 3000 for this. And then let's add in some tables beside this bed. So let's go back to insert, load family, and go back to the main, and then go to furniture, and then tables. So nightstand, we could add this one, and just go back to architecture and then component again. So we could add this one here, this as well here, and both sides for this. And then once you do, we need some lamp. So let's just add in another. So insert, load family, and then go back to main, and then go to lighting. Architecture, internal, and look for so I'm just looking for table lamp. So which is I'll choose this M table lamp standard. Press open and go to architecture and click component, and we're just gonna change the elevation to 650. Click apply and just add it in the middle of the nightstand. Press escape, and at least where we have this setup, we're also going to add the kitchen probably on the next video, but for now I just want to make this one finish. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this back. I would like to add something here like a closet or something. As you can see, we still have a bigger room, or we have a big room here, so we have a walk-in closet and a regular closet here, so we could add that one. So let's go to press escape and then go to architecture and then wall, and let's create an interior wall number 2. So I click on interior wall and then edit type, duplicate. This will be called interior wall number 2. Press OK, edit. We're gonna change this to 100 and change the wall materials, or actually we could just leave it as clad white. So we're gonna leave it like that. Press OK and then OK, and we're just gonna add a wall like so. Okay, and then now what we have to do is let's add in a sliding door. So go to insert again, load family, and let's go back to the main and go to doors, and we could look for a double sliding door, we could check this one as well. So double sliding to panel, press open. I'll just load everything. And then once you do, you could go to doors now, and you will be able to select the doors. So I have it here. I'm just gonna add it like that. And then let's add closet in this space as well. So click on wall again, or we could actually just click on the wall interior number 2 and click on CS or create similar. That's the fastest way. If you know that you already have the certain kind of wall or object, you could just keep on adding it like so. So here we have a dilemma. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move this back a little, and also on this, we don't want any windows on the closet. So again, let's add in the wall like that. And then for this one, we could just move it up to 800 like that. 800 as well. And then I just want to double check this. We have 840, 800 is enough. Like this one, we're gonna select this door and type in CS, and then after that you'll see that you'll be able to select and add it to other parts of the build. So that's the fastest way of selecting an existing object on the view. Press escape to finish, and we're just gonna add in more information here so that at least it's looking presentable. So we could go to annotate and then just click on detailed lines and just use thin lines and just align. So I'm just gonna add 2 lines to represent the rod, and we're just gonna make it neat like that. And then let's do it again. And then let's add it here. Let's also add information right here as well. So we're just going to add an L form like this. And after that, we're just gonna add a detail line in the middle. And then use TR, that's for trim and extend. That's under modify. So TR is the short. So you could use that. Press escape, and now at least you can see that it's looking much better with more information. So now that we added the bedroom and the toilets, let's add some couch here. So go back to insert again, load family, and go to our furniture. So go to the main and then seating, and let's add in some sofa. So let's add this kind of sofa. So I'm just looking. but this one will be okay. So I just loaded that one, and you need to go back to architecture and then component. Once you click that, you'll be able to select two kinds of sofa. So we have the small one and then the bigger one. And then use space bar so that to orient this. So we have the sofa right here. We could add in one more, so CS, and add one more sofa right here. And then after that, we will have the dining table right here, and then the piano, or the piano right here, and then the dining table here. It depends on what we want, or what I think of. But of course, we will have the kitchen right here. So let's add in more furniture. I'm just gonna load one of the tables or chairs, and then let's go to the table. So I'm just gonna use this chair. So I already loaded that, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load the tables first. So under furniture, just go to the tables, and we could load the coffee table, and then the dining table. So let's load both of this. So just hold control button, and you'll be able to select multiple objects, and then just click open and go back to architecture, and you can load this. So might as well add the dining right here, so that it looks better if we add the piano right here. So now we just need to add the coffee table as well. So I'm gonna add the coffee table in the middle, and then we need to look for the chair that we loaded first. So this one. So I'm just gonna add this like that. So I'm just gonna load 3 per side here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select them and use mirror. Okay, so just make everything fast. You don't need to put more time on that. So as you can see, everything is working now, and we're able to add more furnitures. And lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this a little bit down. It's because I wanted to add a ceiling here, so I need to have an offset for that. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit like that, and what I'm gonna do after is I'm gonna press AL. So press escape, AL again, and then after that I'm gonna align everything all together, something like that. Okay, so everything is aligned, and we could add in the ceiling here later on, and then we're going to add mullions and and curtain grids. So press escape on this. So now it's looking good. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.